Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the exercise 1.1 of rational number. Okay. So the first question is using appropriate properties find the following. Okay. The first bit is here. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 6. Okay. Question is using appropriate properties. So we have to use the properties of rational number. Okay. See. Here 3 upon 5 is here. Here also 3 upon 5. Okay. So it is written as 3 upon 5 is multiplied with minus 2 upon 3. Why? Because A is multiplied with B is equal to B is multiplied with A. That is commutativity. Commutativity for multiplication. So this property is used here. This is A and this is B. So this is A is multiplied with B is equal to B is multiplied with A. We can use the commutativity property. Plus 5 upon 2 and this can also be written as 1 plus 6 is multiplied with minus 3 upon 5. Okay. So here we can write using commutative property. Okay. Then 3 upon 5 multiplied with minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 2. Then this can be written as 3 upon 5 is multiplied with minus 1 upon 6 because when A is multiplied with minus B, it is equal to B is multiplied with minus A. Okay. This property. This is also one type of commutative property. Okay. This is one type of commutativity property. When A is multiplied with minus B, here A is 1 by 6 and B is 3 upon 5. But B is here in the minus sign. Okay. So A is multiplied with minus B gives rise to B, that is 3 by 5 is multiplied with minus A. A is 1 by 6, so minus 1 by 6. Okay. Here is 3 by 5 and here is also 3 by 5. Okay. So I can close these two terms. That is minus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 multiplied with minus 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Okay. That is which property? That is associativity property. Using associativity property. How associativity property is used here? See, let this is A. This multiplication, let A. Okay, this is A and this is B and this is C. Okay, so we have associativity property A plus B plus C can be written as A plus C plus B. Okay, also A plus B plus C. But this is here A plus B plus C. Okay, A plus B plus C, but I have to write A plus C plus B. Okay, by using associativity property in this way, that is A plus B plus C, it is equal to A plus C plus B. Okay, so by using associativity property, this step is done. Then here 3 by 5 and here also 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 can be taken as common. Okay. Multiply. That is minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 6 plus 5 by 2 is remaining. Yes or no? 5 by 2 is remaining. Okay. This is using distributive property. because what is distributive property? That is A when multiplied with B plus C, it gives A is multiplied with B plus A is multiplied with C. But this term, we have this term, so we have converted it into this part. A is multiplied with B plus C, and we have to find the B plus C, that is minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 6. Then it's multiplied with 3 by 5. After the resulting number can be added with 5 upon 2. The next step. Okay. So by using distributive property. Okay. So the next step is 3 by 5 is taken common. The bracketed term, that is minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 6. The LCM is 6. Okay. So minus 4 plus minus 1. Okay. Is multiplied plus 5 upon 2. Then 3 upon 5 is multiplied with minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. 5 can be cancelled. Okay. That is minus 3 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. That is minus 1 by 2 plus 5 upon 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 5 upon 2, that is 2 is the LCM. 5 minus 1, that is 4 upon 2, that is 2. So the final answer is 2. Okay. So the next bit is similar, using the property find the following. Okay. So 2 upon 5 is multiplied with minus 3 upon 7, minus 1 upon 6 is multiplied with 3 upon 2, plus 1 upon 14 is multiplied with 2 upon 5. Okay. So see, here 2 by 5 and here also 2 by 5. But before going to close to this term, we have to change the term. That is A is multiplied with B is equal to B is multiplied with A. That is the commutativity of multiplication. This is used in this term. 1 by 1 upon 14 is multiplied with 2 upon 5. So that is, I can write 2 upon 5 is multiplied with 1 upon 14 by commutativity property. Okay. Then these two terms are equal, or 2 by 5 is here and 2 by 5 is here. So I can close these two terms. Okay. Then by using distributive property, I can, that is A plus A is multiplied with B plus C. That is A multiplied with B plus A is multiplied with C. But this term is here. A is multiplied with B plus A is multiplied with C. So A is multiplied with B plus C. This property. Okay. So by using distributivity, I can write this. Then this can be added to give this. But 5 can be cancelled. Okay. 2 7s are 14. So minus 1 upon 7. This term becomes minus 1 upon 7, and this term is 3 2s are 6, and 1 by 2 is multiplied with 2, that is 1 by 4. So minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. That is, I take the LCM 7 and 4. LCM of 7 and 4, that is 28. Then I can subtract. Then find the answer. Minus 11 upon 28. Okay, this is the answer. The next question is, write the additive inverse of the following. Okay. So 5 bits are given. So first bit is 2 upon 8. Before going to solve the question, I have to recall that what is additive inverse. If A is a number, A is a rational number, then what is its additive inverse? That is minus of A, means the negative of the number. Negative of the number. Okay, so in this case we have to find the negative of this number. This is the additive inverse. Okay, so we have to find the negative of this number. Okay, so here 2 by 8 is positive, that is plus 2 upon 8. So what is the negative of that? Is plus 2 upon 8, that is minus 2 upon 8. Okay, so minus 2 upon 8 is the additive inverse of 2 upon 8. This is the answer. Okay, then next bit is minus 5 upon 9. Simply minus 5 upon 9. I have to find the negative of the number, that is minus of minus 5 upon 9. When minus is multiplied with minus, it gives plus, that is plus 5 upon 9. You have to mention the sign because you have find the additive inverse. So you have to mention the sign. You cannot simply write that is 5 upon 9. You have to mention the sign, it is positive or negative. Okay. Then bit 3, that is minus 6 upon minus 5. Okay, the upper fraction is also negative and the lower fraction is also negative. How can you find the negative of this number? That is minus 6, when minus is divided with minus, let minus 1 is divided with minus 1, that is plus 1. Okay, so minus 6 upon minus 6 can be written as plus 6 upon plus 5, that is simply plus 6 upon 5. Okay, so minus of plus 6 upon 5 is minus 6 upon 5. So minus 6 upon 5 is the additive inverse of the minus 6 upon minus 5. Okay, the next bit is 2 upon minus 9. Okay, so we have to find the negative of this number, that is minus of 2 upon minus 9. Okay, so here is minus, this minus can be taken into the upper fraction, that is minus 2 upon 9. Okay, so minus of minus 2 upon 9 is plus 2 upon 9. This is the answer. Okay, similarly for question number B, minus 19 upon minus 6, that is 19 upon minus 6. So I can write it as minus 19 upon 6. Okay, so what is the negative of this number? That is minus of minus 19 upon 6, that is plus 19 upon 6, because minus when multiplied with minus gives plus. Okay, this is the answer of the bit 1, this is the answer of bit 2, this is the answer of bit 3, this is the answer of bit 4, this is bit 5.